heartily welcome you to Math Simplified by HM. Today is all about the fascinating world of Pythagorean triplets. We are going to define them, break down the math, and master the formula to create them from scratch. Before we dive deep, please take a moment to subscribe, click the bell icon, and share this video with your well-wishers. Make math easy together. Defining the triplet. In a triplet of natural numbers, if the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two numbers, the triplet forms a perfect right angle triangle. For example, 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. This is also called the geometric harmony of whole numbers. Now, how do we find these numbers without just guessing? There is a specific mathematical formula we can use. The triplet generator. If a and b are the natural numbers and a is greater than b, you can generate infinite Pythagorean triplets using this master formula. That is a square plus b square, first number, second is a square minus b square, and third one is 2ab. This formula unlocks infinite geometric possibilities. We will find does it satisfies the definition just we have seen, because in bracket a square plus b square bracket square is equal to a raised to 4 plus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. Name this as equation 1. Next, in bracket a square minus b square bracket square is equal to a raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. Name this as 2. Then third, in bracket 2ab bracket square gives 4a square b square. Name this 3. When we add 2 and 3, we get 1. Therefore, by 1, 2 and 3, we get a square plus b square bracket square is equal to a square minus b square bracket square plus 2ab whole square. Therefore, a square plus b square comma a square minus b square and 2ab is a Pythagorean triplet. The formula in action. Let us assign a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. Just by the formula method, we get 5 square plus 3 square is equal to 25 plus 9 is equal to 34. Then 5 square minus 3 square gives 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. And 2 into 5 into 3 gives 30. This is the triplet 16, 30, 34. Now examine this. Because 16 square is equal to 256, 30 square is equal to 900, and 34 square is equal to 1156. Now when we add 256 and 900, we get 1156, which is exactly the square of 34. Therefore, 16 square plus 30 square is equal to 34 square. So this satisfies our definition of triplets. Therefore, 16, 30, 34 is a Pythagorean triplet. As we wrap our lesson today, I want to leave you with a thought of balance, the power of balance. Just as a Pythagorean triplet needs every number to be perfectly squared, your success needs the perfect balance of hard work, discipline, and curiosity. Thank you all for your excellent participation. Please like and share this video with your well-wishers, colleagues, and friends. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to stay updated. Enjoy the time with joy.